take all your hardware, get it all out of the bags, separate it. We use these grip mats, makes it nice and easy and handy. So separate all your hardware out. And the first thing that we're going to end up doing is there's a mounting bracket for the control box. So this mounting bracket goes to these threaded inserts. Control box goes on top. So you got some Phillips head screws. Alright, our next step is connecting all these wires. Alright, now that you got your control box mounted, the easy way to do this, to start connecting these wires, is rotate it onto its face. Now, you're going to have a yellow, a red, and a black. You also have this long red, which is going to go to your positive terminal on your battery. So for right now, we're just putting that off to the side. What you're going to see is each one of these terminals is also color coded. You have a red, a yellow, and a black. So it's easy, just match the colors up. The nuts on here are a 14 millimeter. Let's get those off. What you're going to do is on each terminal, you're going to go washer and lock washer, and your nut. So once you're here, you're going to want to spin this a little bit. You have another terminal down on the bottom. There you have it, 13,000 pound winch from OPENROAD.